So originally when neural networks were created, they had no memory. And so then someone came up with this idea of let's add memory to neural networks. And one of the popular ones was called LSTM, long short-term memory. And the idea was you would remember what things are important so that you could figure out which things you need to learn, right, to attend to. So the problem with that is you have to process things sequentially again and again and again. And so it was really slow. The Google researchers said, okay, well, let's speed this up. So they said, let's take text, randomly remove words, tell it to predict the word that we took out. And then they used this attention mechanism, which is basically memory, to remember the relationship between words so they can figure out the grammar and syntax and so on. And so the attention has a couple parts. It has a query, a key, and a value. And then it has a bias for each one of those. And the real benefit is that you can then now distribute the training on thousands of GPUs, and it's much, much faster, right? LSTMs were slow to do the same amount of training. It would take you anywhere from 10 to 100 times longer. So for example, OpenAI spends 16 to 18 months to train a new model. So you just multiply that by 10, right? Like, it's going to take you 10 years to get the same result. So it's not really practical.